Hey, what's up, my friend? This is Nigel Lavers, and I want to welcome you to my $50,000 per month free course. So, this is a mentoring program I have put together for you that is designed to give you as much value as possible so you can make the best decision possible to increase your income and improve your life. Now, it doesn't matter if you are a black belt in this or a super skilled ballerina in that. If you want to increase your income with reliable consistency and up to date methods, then you are in the right place. So, this free course is going to help you make an educated decision on whether the affiliate marketing strategies I know and I use to make $50,000 a month and more are of interest to you. Now, I want to give you this time to consider what's best for you because I myself wish I had this when I was just starting to go online to start a business. I lost $12,000 to all sorts of amateur mentors and unsustainable shortcuts that I nearly gave up and quit. Thankfully, I got through that and made it my mission not to be that kind of guy. So, what I've done is record some very valuable material that you can use in here to better your knowledge and understanding of what I do as a high level affiliate marketer. And so you can see how you can do it too. Now, I'm going to show you how my students are earning $10,000 a month and more, and after failing for years, and $25,000 in a single month while working a full-time job, and $8,000 a month as a cancer survivor with a full-time job. These amazing strategies that I'm sharing with you are what took me from being a broke carpenter, addicted to cannabis, self-medicating, depressed after COVID forced my 13 years long business to fold, all the way to earning a free luxury car, paying for trips around the world, and earning nearly $500,000 in only 16 months online. Now, I married the woman of my dreams, and we have our first child on the way. This is a complete 180 in the direction my life was going, and I owe it all to the decision I made to follow through with the instructions from my mentor to learn these strategies. So, if you decide to get started implementing what is taught, I want to reassure you that I can definitely do what I do with you and help you earn big four-figure commissions daily. This will give you the freedom you want to get out of debt. Treat yourself and your family well, enjoy some luxuries, take more vacations, and maybe, quit your dead-end 9-to-5 job. Perhaps buy that car, that house, that investment property, and live the life you truly dream of. Isn't that what we all want? So, just to reassure you that this is my real income, I will take you through my dashboard right now so you can see a live view of my affiliate commissions to know these earnings are real. So, done this. It's good that you sat down and I attested that real live proof of my earnings. That certainly is only showing you the trend is real, right? Digital marketing is just booming, and it's going to keep booming, especially in the wealth niche, as we are promoting the number one products that help people increase their income right on through this recession and the cost of living crisis. Of course, that means you're probably wondering what my goal is. It's the same as yours, absolutely, to make a ton of money online, right? Well, we're talking my next stop is $500,000 a month. All this is saying is that if I can make $500,000 per month, I can definitely teach you how to make 5K, 10K, 20K, 30K, even 50K per month with these exact strategies taught in these free lessons of mine. And look, if there's one thing I've learned along the way, that helped me the most that I can pass on to you right now, it's this. It only takes one person with one opportunity to offer you one deal that can change your life forever. And so I won't leave you hanging on this because if you like what you learn in these free lessons and you want to know how, just how far in detail you can go implementing these strategies, but also how you can partner with me to get my one-to-one help for as long as it takes guaranteed to make $50,000 plus per month yourself, then you can click the button below this video and you'll be able to apply in just 2 short minutes to go on my monthly or annual mentorship plans. So it's entirely up to you if you want to take part in this and take advantage of this one-of-a-kind opportunity for me to work with you in this digital era and become super wealthy together. Let's make it happen.